camera. Right now in Venice, and I just got here. It's a little canal up there, and yeah, really like the GoPro. Decided on it because it's portable, a lot of accessories, and it's just an overall good camera. So this is the place I'm staying at. And yeah, I'm just gonna be walking around and we'll see what happens, really. So yeah, this is Venice. First time here. Pretty cool so far. I mean, the scenery is just beautiful to walk around. So I switched to the wide lens just because it just looks better now, especially when I'm walking down these little alleyways. But look at this. It's pretty quiet over here too. No one seems to be over here, so I'm just exploring. Alright, so I've explored my territory a little bit, and I'm gonna go to the island of San Marco right now. So it's a little bit of a walk because there's only one bridge to get really across. That's where I'm going now. I'm pretty close though. Just gotta get over here. This is the main bridge. The main bridge to get to San Marco, and it's just swarmed. It is the only bridge, but still. Okay, so today I am going to pick up my girlfriend. She's flying in from Paris, or Paris, and I just left the Airbnb. I'm headed down to San Lucia station here, and yeah. So yeah, almost at the train, and a lot of people. But look at all these, the water. It's crazy. So I bought a hat here. It's 10 euro. Wasn't even that bad. Pretty nice hat. Oh, 360. I wanted one. I wanted a hat, and I wanted it early on into this trip so that I could wear it, but I believe that is who I'm getting. So see you. So we're in front of St. Mark's Basilica in San Marco.
Who's we?
My my co-host, and also girlfriend. Wow. It's just beautiful, the architecture on this. Try to maybe get in. We'll see if we can get in, but I don't know. So, a little update. Don't think we'll go in. Somebody has their shoulders out.
That's really risque.
Tried playing piano. It's quite good. Pigeon. So yeah, just gotta go to the water right now and see what this looks like. Some shops too. It's unreal, the architecture. It's beautiful. It's the oldest church in Venice. It's crazy. So we just got some gelato. It's out. Forgot. It's just so delicious, but this is a cool alley. Figured I'd go in it. Look how small. It's just a tiny little alley. Look at this. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of these around the island. So we stopped in this little park here, and it's pretty cool. A lot of cool little art. But something I thought was cool was like this little construction area, and I was wondering what it was, and then I asked, or I read the sign. And it's actually the seawall they're building. It's pretty crazy seeing it firsthand. Especially in another country. I've seen it in the US, like New Jersey and all that, but the oceans are rising. Look at this. Interesting. So these, it looks like, are like prototype homes for the island. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Got everything you need in there. Beds are a little small, but it's pretty cool. Cool little house. Another thing I thought was cool in this park is this house, or this tree. It's all stilts, or support beams. They like their trees. So this is actually a really cool little exhibit. This is another park in Venice. It's just right next to the other one actually, but it has all these little interactive tea things. So you squeeze this and then the smell comes out. Stir. Gotta stir it and then squeeze. Ooh, that smells good. The ruby black. Yeah, all these really neat. She's a little tired, so we might not be walking anymore. So check in after. So we're back, and someone had a little nap. But we're in this museum basically about climate change, and this one's called the human footprint. So population density. Wow. I mean, Europe's up there. United States here. Roads. Not many in Australia. What's next? Oh, wow. It's a lot. It's just shipping lanes. Right around the horn. And then flights. See, no one flies down there. Human footprint. It's a lot. Look at Northern Africa though, and Russia, just Canada. But it's crazy. So, just crossed onto this other park. This is one of the biggest parks in Venice. Playing some football over there. It's chill. It's a nice little park. These trees all in a line too. Look at that. Nice. Look at these shops. It's good enough. Still got it. Only a couple days off of practice, so that's assuring. It's a cool little pitch though. It's nice. Hit me.
Hello all. I'm supposed to be filming John.
Come over here.
Exciting, I know.
A little workout. Gotta stay fit on vacation. There's no off days. Better hit one of these too. Can't take a break. What's this workout? Ciao. We were at the Plaza Ducale. I am tan. Plaza Ducale. Gotta see the Carpaccio. Hope I pronounced that right. We'll see if anybody watches this and is Italian. Maybe they'll correct me. But gotta see some art. It's a huge palace. I mean, you can see a little bit here. So, gotta walk in and see. So we're going up the St. Mark's Bell Tower and see at the top. At the top up here now. I should have brought my wind slayer. Gonna regret that, but hopefully the wind cancellation's decent. We'll switch to 5K for better cinematics. So we finished at St. Mark, the Tower St. Mark, and on our way back to the B&B. Gonna get showered and ready for dinner later. We have a little time. It's raining all of a sudden. Little sun shower. Yeah. Gotta squeeze through here. So yeah.